morning from Cologne City. There's Sabrina. We're on our way to day 2 of the LYX Festival and it's super cloudy. We're trying to find a place where we can get some breakfast and then we will go to the festival because yesterday, as you probably saw, we didn't get into any of the workshops and we really want to get into the ones today because it's about plotting and the character development and writing characters and everything. So we're about to head to the location, getting some breakfast before that, and we can't wait. So let's go. We actually made it into a workshop. We can't believe it. I want to be honest, the organization wasn't that good because there's so many people standing there waiting, trying to get into the workshops, and they don't have enough spaces for everyone. So yeah, but we kind of made it and we're excited to see what we will learn. So we have, I don't know, 10 minutes left and then we will start. Okay, so we finished the workshop. It was super inspiring and I think we have a lot of new ideas and perspectives on how to start. And now we're in the line and we're trying to get into another panel talk, and yeah, so cool. So here we have the books of Mona Kasten. She's a very famous German book author because of the new Amazon Prime series Maxton. Maybe you have already seen it. Here's some other books. What I forgot to show you is that we also got these super adorable goodie bags. This is such a cute design. I love it so much. It has so much detail. And it's white on the back. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So this is everything that was in the bag, and we first have this little saddle protection. I don't know if that's what you call it, but you can basically put it onto the saddle of your bicycle to protect it from rain. And I think the design is very cute too. And I really like the color. And then we got this like little bookmark, and it has these colorful sticky notes or markers, so you can mark specific parts of the book that you really like. And this is the back. So here you could get like 60 days for free on BookBeat and 10% off their online shop. And then we have these cute little stickers. They're so shimmery in the rainbow colors. And same with this one. And then lastly we have this super cute little hand fan. And the design again is super adorable. Oh my gosh, so cute. And it's white on the back. Oh. Super cute little goodie bag. I really like the contents of it. So we're back at the hotel. We're just gonna grab our bags, and that basically means it's the end of the video. Sabrina. So thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you next time.